Today is Philippine Independence Day. So right now I'm on my way to work. I know for some they're just at home since it's holiday, but for us working in the BPO, we still do have a work, but it's okay. It's because we do have this double pay. So time check, it's still 7:15 in the morning. I think we will arrive like 30 minutes before my shift. Oh, my shift actually is 8 in the morning to 5 in the afternoon.
Nakasunod ko dahil hindi ito pwede idikta ng pasto sa kanyang prinsipyo na kailangang mag-ikapo ang mayayaman. Kaya hindi nila itinuturo ang pag-ikapo at wala na rin basta ilinalagay na lamang nila ang offering basket.
Okay, so right now we're actually here in Market. This is one of the closest mall we have from our office. And for those who are not familiar, we're actually here in Bonifacio Global City, BGC. So if you notice, the traffic here is not that congested compared to other roads within Metro Manila. So we're here in Uptown and our office is in Tower 1, 11th to 20th floor. Good thing we arrived 30 minutes ahead from my shift. So my shift is done, but I don't feel like going home yet. So yeah, let's stroll around BGC. So the one that we're on right now is a soccer field. So if you notice, there's flags all around the street. This is for Philippine Independence Day celebration. I know that it's just too early, but I'm hungry and I'm tired. So thank you guys for watching my video, and hey, don't forget to click the button below to subscribe. Thank you.